Hello all. Today I have decided to make another video related to age. We have seen in the previous video how to solve the problems related to age, and I'm going to give more examples with the words in focus, because the words used in the word problems of age is very important. We have to understand it very carefully, and we have to make it into an corresponding equation which helps you to solve the problem. So understanding the words and translating into equation is very important. We are going to see that with the different examples. Okay, Lara is 4 times as old as her daughter. In 16 years, she will be only twice as old as her daughter. What are their present ages? So we have information about the present age and in future what is going to happen. Okay. Now Laura's age and her daughter's age will be there. Suppose L and D. In future, that is in 16 years, they have given you the value. Okay. L plus 16, and her daughter also will be 16 years older than the present age. Okay, what they have given, the relationship they have given is Lara is 4 times means 4 multiplied, okay, as old as her daughter's age is D, right? So it is 4 times as old as her daughter, so it can be represented like an equation like this. The second sentence, in 16 years, Lara, okay, she will be only twice as old as her daughter. Only twice as old as her daughter. We should not put 2D. We should put D plus 16, because the age of the daughter also have increased by 16, right? So this equation is the translation of the second line. So what is their present ages? That is, we want to find what is L and what is D. Okay, so now once we get the equation, it's very easy. It's very normal to substitute and eliminate things and find the answer. Okay, getting into the equation is tougher. We have to understand each and every word. Okay, now we know that we can substitute the value of L over here, right? So 4D plus 16, which is equal to 2D plus 16. So 4D plus 16 is equal to 2D plus 32, and if we keep solving, then the answer will be D is equal to 8, and L is 4 times 8, which is equal to 32. Okay, we'll see the next problem. After 15 years, Ariel's age will become 4 times that of her present age. Find her age. So here it's only one person's age is involved, Ariel. Okay, what is her age now? What is her age after 15 years? We have to compare it and find her age. Okay, so after 15 years, so now if suppose A is the Ariel's age, after 15 years it will be A plus 15, right? I'm sorry, my pen is not working. A plus 15. Okay, after 15 years, Ariel's age will become 4 times that of her present age. 4 times. What is the present age? It is A. Okay, that's it. The equation we have got, 15 is equal to 3A. So Ariel's age is going to be 5 years. Ariel's age is going to be 5 years. Okay, now we will move on to the next problem. John's age 13 years ago was 1/3 of his age 9 years hence. How old is John? So this is also again only one person is involved. his age now is J, and after 13 years it is going to be J plus 13. So there is a relationship between this. What is that? It is John's age after 13 years. It's going to be 1/3 of his age. Okay, what is his age? J. But another clue is there. 9 years hence. Okay, 9 years hence. 9 years hence is J. Sorry, 1 minute. I have done a mistake. John's age 13 years ago. 13 years ago means it is past. Right? See how quickly we have made a mistake. So this sort of mistakes will happen very, very often. So we have to be very, very careful. Okay, it is hence. Hence means it is in the past. Hence means it is in the future. Okay. Maybe we can use some correct words. Maybe I can put past. This future is in hence. Okay, so past is 13 years ago. J minus 13. And 9 years hence, that is J plus 9. Okay, so J minus 13, that is before 13 years. His age was 1/3 of his age. That is going to be 9 years after. Okay, so getting into the relationship, knowing it is very, 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 very important. Okay, so now we can solve the equation. It is like 3J minus 13 equals J plus 9. So 3J minus 39 equals J plus 9, and J is going to be 24. The age of John right now it is 24. Okay, so next, the age of a man is 24 years more than his son. In 2 years the father's age will be twice that of his son. Then the present age of his son is. So there are two people involved, right? One is the father, another one is son. So let us keep this as the present age. Okay, 25. Okay, what is the relationship given is age of the man, that is the father, is 24 years more than that of the son. So more than or less than, whatever it comes, we have to do the things first and then add or subtract the value. Okay, more than his son's age. Okay, in 2 years, that means the father's age also and son age will be increasing by 2. Okay, in 2 years the father will be twice that of his son. Twice that of his son, that is S plus 2. Okay. Okay, now we know the value of F. So just substitute it. S plus 24 plus 2 equals 2S plus 4. So when you bring everything this side and that side, S will be 22. Okay, so present age of his son is asked, so it is going to be 22 years. Okay, now we'll move on to the next problem. After 15 years, Ramesh's age will be 5 times his age 5 years ago. What is the present age of Ramesh? So present age of Ramesh is R. After 15 years, that means R plus 15. His years 5 years ago, that is R minus 5. Right? This is in the past, this is present, and this is the future. So we saw the word used as hence in the other question. Here the word ago is used to mention the after is used to mention the age in the future. Okay, so those words are very, 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 very important. Okay, so now we'll find the relationship after 15 years. So R plus 15, okay, is going to be 5 times his age, that is R, 5 years ago, minus 5. Okay, so this question is little different, right? Generally when we say that Ramesh age is going to be as old as he is, then it is R. Just we have to stop with R. Now he is 5 years ago, so we are putting this R minus 5. So R plus 15, that is after 15 years, 5 times, so 5 years ago, so R minus 5. Then the solving the equation is going to be very easier. So it is R plus 15 is equal to 5R minus 25, and therefore R is equal to 10 years. Okay, so we'll now get into the last problem. Ruth is twice as old as Pat. Okay, 2 people are involved, Ruth, Pat. In 4 years Ruth will become, so R plus 4 and Pat plus 4. Okay, as old as Pat was 3 years ago. Okay, so Ruth is twice as old as Pat, so 2P. Okay, next is Ruth is 3 times as old as Pat was 3 years ago. Okay, in 4 years. In 4 years means that is future, R plus 4. Will be 3 times as old as Pat. If that is the term, then we have to stop with 3P. 3P plus 4 we will do. 3P plus 4, because as old as Pat means he is also old like the Ruth, that is 4 years after. But the question here was 5 years ago. Pat was 5 years ago. So that means P minus 3. This is very important, right? So we have seen some sums before like this, like see, I'll show you. So you see, only twice as old as her daughter. As old as a daughter means when the age of Lara is 16 times increased, then the daughter's age also is 16 times increased, so we have put D plus 16, right? But here in this problem it's given as old as Pat was 3 years ago, so we have to put P minus 3. So this is the small difference but makes a big difference in the answer. Okay, after once we get this, then the solvation is the same. So we have to substitute the value of R, and we are going to get the age of P, that is the Pat, is 13. So here they have asked how old are them each. So we have to also find the age of Ruth. Ruth is twice the P, right? So he's going to be 26 years old. Okay, these are the simple ways by which we can convert the information given in the problem to an equation. Okay, I hope you have understood the problems. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section, and I'll be making another video with the same topic with more of complications in understanding the problems. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share the video and like whenever you're feeling good with the videos. Thank you.